Hello, my name's Daniel here at Preston Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Audi Q3 Black Edition finished in Glacier White. It features the 1.5 litre TFSI petrol engine with cylinder on demand technology, paired with the S-tronic automatic gearbox for a smooth and efficient driving experience. It sits nicely on the optional 20-inch alloy wheels, and it features LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. In the boot you'll find 530 litres of space. This can be increased to 1,525 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have a gorgeous black leather interior featuring ISOFIX points on the outer seats, allowing you to easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you have your leather wrapped multifunction flat bottom steering wheel, moving around to your front seats, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position. On the multifunction steering wheel to the left you have controls for the virtual cockpit, and to the right there's controls to adjust the infotainment system. On the virtual cockpit you've got access to different driving data like your average fuel consumption, as well as your audio, telephone and navigation menus. Centered here in the dashboard you have the touchscreen MMI, providing you with access to DAB, FM and AM radio, or alternatively in the media section you can play your own music with USB and Bluetooth connectivity. The vehicle has Bluetooth telephone compatibility as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to keep well connected with compatible apps. There's built-in navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places. This Q3 also comes with the optional extra multicoloured ambient lighting, allowing you to add your own personal touch to the very stylish interior. Throughout the interior you also have the fantastic SONOS sound system that makes listening to music even more enjoyable. You'll find speakers all throughout the interior. This Q3 also has front and rear parking sensors and a rear camera, making parking super easy. Below the display you have your dual zone automatic climate control that does include heated front seats to keep you nice and warm on those colder days. In the centre console you have a wireless phone charger with 2 USB-C points for convenient device charging. You'll also find the automatic gear selector along with the electronic handbrake and 2 cup holders. Thanks for watching this walk around video of this approved used Audi Q3 Black Edition finished in Glacier White. For more information, please get in contact with a member of our sales team who'd be more than happy to help with your inquiry.